Let me show you how to make this smoothie bowl that will help balance your hormone as a woman. So these are the ingredients we need. Make sure you watch the video till the end because I'll be explaining their importance one after the other. We need bananas, we need avocado, we need some cinnamon powder, we need some unsweetened almond milk, and some chia seeds. So we are going to start by adding a spoon of chia seed to the almond milk because we need it to get soft. Almond milk is rich in vitamin E, and these antioxidants can help support hormone production, and it can also help reduce menstrual pain and many other benefits. Chia seed is very nutritious. It is high in vitamins, proteins, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acid that can help balance the hormone. So we are going to leave that to soak for some minutes. Avocado contains healthy fats and fiber with many other nutrients that support the hormone health. So we are going to cut it and remove the seed and use a spoon to scoop out the edible parts and add to your blender. Banana is very rich in potassium, fiber, and vitamin B6, vitamin C, and many other nutrients that can help support hormone balance. It has other benefits as well, so we are going to add it to the avocado. Cinnamon powder can improve insulin sensitivity, which is very important for hormone balance. It can also help with PCOS as well. Now we are going to add in the chia seeds and almond milk to the blender. Then you blend it till it's very smooth. Now pour it in a bowl or a cup. If you don't want it thick like this, you can add some more almond milk or water when blending it. I love mine very thick, so it depends on your preference. You can also top it with some granola for extra sweetness and crunch. My granola is packed with almond nuts, cashew nuts, and coconut flakes. You can use any nut of your choice as well. You can have this bowl of healthy smoothie as breakfast or even dinner with any protein of your choice. I had mine with roasted chicken and it tasted so good. To my girlies experiencing hormone imbalance, this is a very healthy smoothie for you guys. There are varieties of fruits and vegetables that also helps balance the hormone as well. Strawberries, raspberries, flaxseed, apples, spinach, cauliflower, and broccoli. In fact, leafy greens in general. So you can also incorporate this in your diet as well, and you will see how your hormone will balance up in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. And if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section.